Goods and Service Tax, popularly known as GST. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Guru of Accountancy. Let us see what is GST. So GST is one indirect tax. It was implemented by government from 1st July 2017. GST is based on the principle one nation, one tax. GST rates are uniform across the states and union territories. GST is divided into three parts: CGST, SGST and IGST. That means central, state and integrated. So these are the three types. CGST and SGST are the taxes levied on sales of goods within the same state, whereas IGST is a tax levied on sale of goods between two states, that means interstate sales of goods and services. GST is shared between the center and state in a 50-50 ratio. Input GST word is used on the purchase of goods and payment of expenses, whereas output GST word is used when goods are sold or income is received. So, input and output, these are the two words. Let us see the entries. First entry, for goods purchase. So, purchase will be debited, input CGST and input SGST will be debited to cash and to creditor if it is a credit purchase. But if it is a cash, then to cash and bank will come. If outside the state goods are purchased, then instead of CGST and SGST, the word input IGST will be debited. When assets are purchased, entry will remain same, only assets account will be debited, input CGST and input SGST will be debited to cash to vendors. When assets are purchased from other states, then input IGST account will be debited instead of CGST and SGST. For expenses paid, entries will remain same, expenses will be debited, input CGST and SGST account will be debited. If it is not paid, then expense payable will be credited. If it is paid, then to cash and bank will be credited. So, for goods sold, the word output will be used. So, output CGST and output SGST will be credited. If it is cash, then cash account debited. If it is a credit, then debtors will be debited. If it is sold in other state, then instead of CGST, SGST, we will use the word output IGST. It will be credited. Sales will be credited. Debtors or cash or bank will be debited. In case of income, output CGST and output SGST will be credited. And if the income is not received, then income receivable will be debited. If it is received, then cash or bank will be debited. GST paid is a cost for business. But if GST paid is set off against the GST collected, it is an asset. GST collected is not income, but it is liability of a business, as business has to pay GST collected to government. So GST paid is asset and GST collected is a liability. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.